How to fix this purchase was not complete in Roblox. So if you want to fix this purchase is not complete in Roblox, then first open up your Roblox application. Once you open, now you need to go with the more option, which is on the bottom right. Under more, you need to scroll down and go with the settings. Under settings, go with the account info, and under account info, make sure to verify the email address and the phone number of your account, and make sure to verify your age. So simply go with verify my age, or go with verify the email address if you've not verified. Once you verified, now you need to go back and open up your Play Store. Once you open up your Play Store, now you need to go with the profile, which is on the upper right. Go with settings, payment and subscriptions. Under payment and subscriptions, you need to go with the payment methods, and you need to go with add credit or debit card, and then you need to add a credit or debit card or a payment method. You need to add a payment method. And after that, you just need to simply go back from your Play Store and go to your Roblox, and under Roblox you just need to simply go with Roblox, which is on the upper right, and from here you will be able to buy your Roblox. So simply tap on the Roblox and go with a payment method that you've just added, and you'll be able to fix your purchase. So that's it. That's how you can fix this purchase was not complete in Roblox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.